Okay. So what is a package? So first we need to understand uh, package, project, and class. Let's go one by one. So project means, so you can create a Java project, you can create a Maven project, you can create a Gradle project. So a project contains a set of folder structure, a set of folders. So like this, you have set of folders will be there. So let me show you like this. This is the project name. Then you have a JRE system library and source folder. This is the, when you create a project, it will be shown like this. So project name below, you have these subfolders. That's a project. Project, so below and the source inside, you can create a packages. So what are packages? So let me uh, show you what is meant by a package and those definitions. Let me create in detail. So what is a package? Say a group of similar kind of classes, interfaces, and sub packages are called package. So advantage of sub package. Packages are used to maintain and maintain and categorize the classes and interfaces. So packages resolves naming collision. So packages are two types. User defined a package which is created by user is called user defined packages. So package name. Second one, built-in packages. Package which is so created by Java. So examples, java.lang. So java.util, java.io. So java.sql, java.io. net. So Java dot availability. So Java dot math. So these are all the different built-in packages. So that's all about packages. So then a package, see, package below you can create a classes. So naming conventions of a package is all lowercase. Package name should be in lowercase, all letters. So all letters should be in lowercase. All letters in package name should be in lowercase. So that's about package. Then we have a class. So what is mean by a class? Class is a template or blueprint from which objects are created. So class is just a template, as a design. Based on that, objects are created. If you want to create object, first you should have a class. Without class, object doesn't exist. So before we create an object, first we should define the class. Class is defined with a class keyword. So like example, you take a house as a class. House inside you have so many rooms, doors, windows, floors will be there. So based on this description, you can build the house. The physical one, you can build it. The physical one is called object. The design of this house is called a class. So with one design or description of the house, you can create many objects. A class can contain, class inside, you can have multiple members, variables, methods, constructors, and blocks. Class is a logical entity, and the class syntax is access modifier, class keyword, then class name. So then curly bracket. So this is the class beginning. So class name after immediately you have to start the curly bracket. And the class should end with the end curly bracket. It tells that it is a end of class. So in between these curly brackets only, you can write all the fields like variables, methods, constructors, blocks you can write, not outside of this class. So these members you can write only inside of the class, not outside of the class. So to create a class, you will use a class keyword. So as I mentioned, class, the class name, then curly bracket start and end. So you can create a public class, say public class sample, see first letter, capital letter, remaining all lowercase. I'll tell you the naming conventions of a class. And default class, class test, curly bracket, all the members of a class and adds it. So the naming conventions of a Java class is, if a class name contains one word like this, the first letter of that word should be in capital letter and remaining letters are in lowercase. So wherever you are creating the class, you are using the class, you must follow these rules. Suppose if the class name contains more than one word, then every word first letter should be in uppercase. Remaining all letters should be in lowercase. So we should not provide any spaces between the words. See, this is the 3 words are there. See, every word first letter in capital. Remaining letters are in lowercase. So variables, methods, constructors, and blocks. So the class name is followed by curly bracket. See, the class name is followed by curly bracket and ends with a end curly bracket. That's the end of the class. So here, if you see the left-hand side, this is not following the naming convention. That's why it's a bad practice. And the right-hand side, see, the first letter of that class name starts with a capital letter, and each word, first letter in capital, remaining a lowercase. This is the good practice. So the file name should be same as a class name. See, this is the class name. A class name and file name should be same. And the file is extended with a .java extension will be there for every Java file. Java file extension is .java. So that's all about a package, class, or project, Java project. So we'll discuss tomorrow and we'll write a small program.